So good morning once again, all of you. Welcome back. So we are currently in the session of measurement scales and using that to design data collection instruments, questionnaires. And we thought that after yesterday, we will have a brief activity wherein all of you get a chance to apply your knowledge and also your creativity to use the concepts that you are learning to apply them in a given context. So what we are going to do today is we will have the activity. I have already posted the activity in your LMS and it is a questionnaire design activity. So if I can share that across, and I will tell you the modus of working on it today. You will have to work on it in groups, and the group working will be done in the form of allocating each of you into different teams in breakout sessions within the Zoom class. So it will mirror the 20 groups that we have, but it will not be composed of the same number of same set of people that you already have in your pre-existing group. So I thought, while you all work as a group for different activities within the team members and all that, we thought let us have a change of the group membership, and let's see how randomly we get allocated. But there will be 20 groups to work on this particular activity which you are seeing on the screen, which is about questionnaire design. So each of you will get allocated randomly to one breakout session within the Zoom class, within the Zoom platform. A message will come to you to accept that, and you have to enter a particular breakout room that is a kind of a classroom. Like, for example, if you are physically in a in the campus, then we would have allocated different spaces for you to work in, right? So these are like different workspaces virtually. This is the breakout room concept. So what will happen is, instead of all this almost 100 students working in a same set of platform here right now in one class, it becomes difficult to discuss and all that, and as well as the fact that you may not be able to coordinate and do the activity amongst yourself. Again, phone, WhatsApp and all that becomes difficult. Within the Zoom platform itself, I will be allocating you into these 20 breakout sessions, and you will be given a time of around 20 minutes to work on the activity, okay, within this class. And you will come back, and I will be visiting all these breakout session groups. I will be coming across virtually to all the sessions like in a class. So we will discuss if there's any clarification required. And post the 20 minutes of the activity, all the groups are going to come back. You're going to have a kind of at least for the time being, at least a handwritten sheet of paper, which can be done by one member of the group, which will incorporate all the 10 questions. So if you see here, there's an activity given. I will discuss the activity. So the outcome should be that there should be one, at least a written page of the 10 questions pertaining to the topic of your choice, which each group must be ready at the end of 20 minutes of the activity. And we will have a particular group. Randomly, I plan to call out 2 groups who can make a presentation of what kind of questions they have used for the topic of their choice. The questions would have been developed in consensus with the group members. So I hope this is clear. If there is any doubt, you can unmute and ask. You can also put in your queries in the chat box. So this is about the modus of work today. Along with that, after we finish, if there is some time, we will have a recap of any of the concepts that you need to revise on the matter of measurement scales. And in the next class, which is on Saturday, we will continue with measurement scales and look at further more details about how to use measurement, different kinds of measurement, comparative, non-comparative scales. We will have a revisiting of the theory once again. All right, so if that is fine with you, let us now proceed to look at the activity, what is in front of us for today. So this is a activity on questionnaire design, and the purpose is that all of you get a chance to practice writing questions and organizing the questions into a complete survey instrument. And the group has to work collaboratively on the survey development. There are certain requirements. First and foremost, it should be written entirely in English. Please don't make questionnaires in any other language as of now. We will look at translation of questionnaires later. Right now, please make the questionnaire with the questions in English only. 20 minutes of preparation time, as I told you, and subsequent to that, 2 groups will get a time for presenting, perhaps for another 10 minutes each. So each group will get around 10 minutes to present. So that will be around 20 minutes. So 20 and 20, 40 minutes. And we have a 1 hour class. So we have sufficient time for discussion if all of you are really cooperating kindly to do this activity. Third thing is, what is it that you're going to work on? You can choose any of the research problems that are given to you. There are 3 sets of problems which have been given to you. Kindly look at the research problem. You can choose as a group any one. Please choose any one problem. So these are the 3 problems which are highlighted on the screen, which each group should choose. Now, I'm stating this before because once you go into your breakout sessions group, you will have to choose one group in that particular breakout session. So research problem 1 is you have to develop a questionnaire survey instrument, basically to find out about the perception and attitudes among young people regarding social media platforms. Now, the group can decide whether they want to take one social media platform or several, but the purpose is how do you develop a questionnaire to find out about perception and attitudes among young people regarding social media platforms, right? And here you need to kindly recall, you have already gone through the Procene case study, you have already gone through the exhaustive Ohio lottery case study on research design. So by now you all have a almost a fair idea about the different kinds of research problem context and how the design instruments are actually made out for a certain problem. So please do keep those things in mind while you're doing this. And of course, the teaching materials that have been used in the class is also uploaded on LMS should you require to refer them. So research problem number 1 is given about perception and attitudes among young people regarding social media platforms. So a breakout session group which chooses this particular topic need not focus on any other topic. The second research problem that is available to choose is to find out about the perception and attitudes of employees regarding their organization. Okay, so research problem 2, if any group is choosing, they have to develop a questionnaire about finding out the perception and attitudes of people regarding their organization. Research problem 3, the third topic, which you can also choose, is finding out the perception and attitude of investors towards various investment options. So the third topic of choice, which is available, is to develop a questionnaire on finding out the perception and attitudes of investors towards various investment options. All right, how and what should be the kind of answers that we are looking at the end of the activity? We are looking at having a survey developed by each group, not individual person. The group has to come out with one set of a survey questionnaire, which should approximately consist of 10 questions. Let us not make the questionnaire very, very detailed and very lengthy. Please restrict your questionnaire to contain around 10 questions for the topic of your choice. All right, kindly work coherently as a team. Please work collaboratively because you will now be reduced from some 100 people in this session to each group breakout session containing about I've allotted for about 20 groups, so that is almost mirroring the 20 groups that you have. So around 6 people in a group you will be there. So kindly coherently work together, collaborate, and find out what is the best possible set of questionnaire that you can develop with approximately 10 questions. Organize the questionnaire in the sense that please understand which question should come first and all of that. Do everything, complete everything in 20 minutes. And after that, you will be coming back. So we will start this session in another 2 minutes. So if you have understood this, you can take a screenshot of whatever is put on the screen here. And while that is happening, I am now going to allocate. Is there any kind of doubt any of you have? Because now I'll allocate you into the breakout sessions. So today's activity, I hope all of you, see if anybody is joining or has joined just a little while back, we are going to have the activity session on questionnaire design group wise. This will not be your regular groups in the class, but it will be groups which will be allocated in the Zoom session right now in the form of breakout sessions. So there will be a message which will pop up on your screen right now asking you to join one of the breakout sessions that have been randomly assigned to you. Please accept that message and join the breakout session and start working on the activity. The time is 9:10 now, and we should be able to complete this activity by 9:30, post which we should be able to start the presentation. So if there is any question, please keep it coming in the chat box. I don't have any kind of questions coming in right now. So I am assuming that I can start the sharing in the breakout sessions. Please accept the message that has been coming to you on your screen. You will have to quickly get yourselves allocated in the breakout sessions. Please join the sessions. Please join your breakout session group quickly. A message has come up on the screen. Please join the session. Kindly join the session which has come up on your screen. Right, yes. Very good. Thank you so much. People are joining their sessions. I will be visiting the breakout sessions. Please start working on the activity. Look at the members who have joined your breakout session group. One person kindly take the leadership to start the work. Please join the session. Yashwant, Chandan, Ruman, Tejas, Pandana, Priyanka. Kindly join the session. There is a message which is popping up on your screen. Please join the breakout session group, students, and start the work. So we are going to develop the questionnaire. Please select any one topic and start the work. Please join the session in your breakout session group. Mamta, Yuvraj, Nitin, Prajwal, thank you. Yes, very good. You are all joining. Santosh, Srinivas, Chalapati, please join the session. Please join this breakout session being assigned to you. Right, quickly join the session because otherwise your team members will be waiting for you.
Ma'am, it is not showing, ma'am.
Chalapati, who is this, please?
Ma'am, it is not showing. I have logged in just now.
You, can I know your name, please? I'm not able to understand.
Ijaz,
huh?
Ijaz.
Yes, okay, I will allocate you. Just wait a little, please.
Santosh as well. And Santosh as well.
Santosh as well, okay. All right, I'm just randomly allocating. Please go ahead. Santosh, where is Santosh? Okay. Kindly join the group. Srinivas, please join the group. Srinivas, please join. Priyanka. Priyanka and Yashwant is not here. Okay. Yashwant, have you? Yashwant, have you joined?
No, ma'am. No.
Yeah, just check the message and please join quickly. Right? Okay. Priyanka, kindly accept the message and join the group, please. Kiransi, kindly join the group. Girish,